What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to optimize your Steam Remote Play in the Steam application. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar type in Steam, or you can just simply type in store.steampower.com. After typing, you will be redirected to the official website of Steam, wherein on the top on the right side you will see the button to install Steam. Click on that install Steam button and install the Steam application. Now, after installing the Steam application, this is what the dashboard will look like. Now, from here on the left side, click on the Steam icon and then click on Settings. Now, after clicking on Settings, scroll down a bit until you find the tab of Remote Play. Click on that, and then the Remote Play tab will open. From here, you need to allow direct connection IP sharing, and you need to set these settings to automatic enabled. And from here, just turn this toggle on advanced streaming option. This gives you more customization to your settings and in a very good way. So after enabling this advanced host options, you can just set up the number of software encoding threads. You can putting it to your requirements. I'll just keep it on automatic. And from here, you can pair a Steam link. You can unpair the devices and you can set a pin. And this is how you can set up your remote play in Steam application. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.